One of the major challenges in Nepal is to improve livelihood of resource-poor and marginal farmers. Low-cost home garden could be an appropriate system to improve the nutritional, economic, and livelihood standard of such climate change and food crisis-affected poor communities. Home garden is the area around homestead where different types of plants and animals are conserved and managed in an organized way to fulfill daily livelihood requirement of a family. Most of the people regard home garden as kitchen garden, but kitchen garden is merely a part of home garden. Home garden is known by different terms in Nepal by various names like ghar bagaita, gotbari, dumna or bedabari.
घर बगैँचा भनेको आफ्नो घरको बाउन्डरी भित्र आफूलाई चाहिने किसिमले सबैलाई व्यवस्थित बगैँचाको रूपमा परिचालित गर्ने प्रक्रियालाई घर बगैँचा भन्ने बुझिन्छ, जसमा आफूलाई चाहिने जडीबुटीहरू, तरकारीहरू भए, फूलहरू, घाँस दाउरा जे आफूलाई मानव उपयोगी जति पनि छन् तुरुन्तै टाढाको जमिनभन्दा नजिकै साँझै बिहानै जतिखेर पनि उपयोग हुने किसिमले नजिक थोरै क्षेत्रफलमा लगाइएको धेरै जातहरूलाई घर बगैँचा भन्ने कुरा बुझिएको छ।
In home garden, crops mostly suited to local climate are cultivated, especially disease-pest resistant, multi-harvested, and crops with multiple use are selected. Selection of crop species for home garden is carried out in such a way to ensure the optimum utilization of land. For instance, if the land is dry, drought-resistant crops like cassava, air potato are selected. But if the land is wet or waterlogged, then water-loving crops such as water spinach, watercress are selected. Likewise, sack farming and kitchen fish ponds are also the strategies to utilize the marginal and waste land. Local resources and family labor are used in home garden activities. Seed materials are used either from own or neighboring home gardens. Farmyard manure is mostly used as fertilizer. Besides that, vermicompost, liquid manure or green manure are also used as soil nutrients in the home garden. For the control of diseases and pests, homemade biopesticides are used. Wastewater can be collected and used in the case of water scarcity. Kitchen waste water collection pit and rainwater collection pit are such examples. Mulching can also be practiced to adapt to water scarcity situation. Mainly, fresh vegetables and fruits are produced in home garden for daily consumption. Owing to the minimal use of chemicals in home garden, the producers are considered to be hygienic and safe. According to a survey conducted by Lee Bird, 44% of a common Nepali farmer's family food requirement is covered by fruits and vegetables. Almost 60% of the fruit and vegetable is supplied from home garden. So the home garden may possibly be considered as an easy source of protein, vitamin, carbohydrate and minerals important for human beings. It is a tradition in our society to cultivate plants which have economic, cultural or medicinal value in a home garden, even borrowing from their neighborhood. Based on usefulness, varieties of plants are cultivated even if it is on a small scale in a home garden. So a home garden plays a significant role in biodiversity conservation. Different types of wild crop species are adopted into the agricultural system through home garden. That is why home garden is considered as a conservation, promotion and research station for local and wild endangered crop species. The existence of biodiversity in a home garden reflects the social status of a family. Similarly, beauty of a home garden makes the homestead environment harmonious. It is believed that home garden has a positive influence on human psychology as well. Different types of animals and plants set up in a home garden are almost interrelated. So, home garden plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance too. Properly managed home gardens can be used as a local resource by other members of a community. The process of such knowledge and skill exchange reduces the gap between different social classes and helps to develop harmony and peace in the society. Family income can be increased by the integration of apiculture, piggery, and poultry in home garden as income-generating activities. Earnings can also be made by mushroom cultivation, nursery management and seed production. Home garden organic produces can be sold at higher prices and value added to surplus food that can be sold or used during the scarce period or for economic benefit.
बेच्ने चलन थिएन हामी धान सिधा साट्थ्यौं तरकारी सबै इन्डियाबाट बुटोलमा आउँथ्यो अहिले त हाम्रो दिदी बहिनीहरुले हाम्रो समूहको खाएर बुटोलसम्म पनि पुर्याउँछन् म पनि गइरहन्छु पटक पटक जान नसके कसैले दिन्छु आधिया गरेर भए पनि बेचेर आधी पैसा दिन्छन् आधी राख्छन्.
Overall, to increase the food and nutritional security as well as the family income for livelihood improvement of resource-poor and disadvantaged groups of Nepal, and also to cope with climatic adversity, it is necessary to promote home garden through different programs by integrating the concept of home garden in National Plan of Agriculture Research and Development.